Hi, Eric and Tim. My name is Jessica, and I'm just going to go over your website with you a little bit today and compare you to one of your competitors and show you what they're doing well and see what we can do to help you guys to outrank them. And so you'll notice if we go through your website, you'll see you've got a fair amount of content, which is great, but you actually want more than double what you have here on your homepage. That way you can outrank your competitors. Google's looking for about 1,500 keyword enriched content. So 1,500 words there is what's really going to help to pull out your competitors. And I did notice that one of your competitors, Gyron Roofing, has about 1,200 words on their homepage. So even if you just add, up to that 1,500 mark to beat them would be awesome. Anything more than that is great too. Another thing that you can do too is for your site, you can save your pictures as those keywords. That way you can optimize your words better and get those ranking as well. And so that helps to outrank your competitors and get you towards the top. Another thing I want to show you is this tool we use called Ahrefs. So this is the behind the scenes look on your website. So you guys are bringing in about 2.7 thousand in traffic volume just from your website alone every month, which is awesome. Also, you guys have quite a few keywords and some backlinks as well, which is great. And so getting this ratio right here closer to a 1-to-1, this UR and DR, is going to help to outrank your competitors, because that's kind of like your trust and power that Google sees, and they like to see when you are when you're optimizing that right. And so one thing we can do for you is see if there's any spam backlinks through here and get those out of there for you. That way you can just have those good ones in there to outrank your competitor. And you'll see these guys have a few more backlinks than you, which is great, but their ratio is not as well either. So that'll help to outrank them as well. But you'll also see this traffic volume is quite a bit larger for them than it is for you guys. And a lot of that can be due to their keywords. And so we can actually go in here and see the volume of some of these words. And so you'll see this one gets searched about 3,500 times a month, and this is for Portland roofers. So adding this throughout your website will help you as well. It does have a keyword difficulty of about 30, so it will be a harder one to rank, but that's something that we could certainly help you with if you guys are interested in. A couple other things is your GMB or Google My Business is something we can help you with too, and optimize that. And that's done through doing a lot of citations, which is just getting your name out there on different directories out there, and your name, address, and phone number. And so that'll help to get you guys ranking as well. And a lot of this can just be done through an SEO package with us. If you guys are interested, we would love to talk to you in more detail and see what it is that we can help you with. And we look forward to hearing from you. You can reach out to us by phone at 480-387-8000 or by replying to this email. We'd love to talk more.